In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows installer error applying transforms. So this should be a quick and easy process. So without further ado, just go ahead, open up the search menu, type in services, and then click on open. After that, this window will pop up for you. Just go ahead, search for Windows installer. So after you find it, just go ahead, search for it, and then double click on it. After you click on it, just click on Start, choose Start the service, and then stop it and start it again a couple of times so you can restart it, as you can see right now. So just click on Start again, and this time just click on OK and click out of Services. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up CMD, click on Run as Administrator. And now when the command branch will open up for you, just go ahead, paste the commands that are available in the description below. So go ahead, paste each command first, and then second, and then third, and then forge. So just do this 4 times, as you can see. And after you do that and you are all done, just go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.